All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a Sharp by Design Mini EVO. We can say Typhoon, right? Maybe. It's a drop point with carbon fiber inlays, which is my preferred inlays. This guy pushes out, this box flies away, and here you have this little fella right over here. Titanium, carbon fiber, inlays. You have 8 centimeters for the length for the blade and 10.5 for the handle. Around 19 overall length. It is a flipper knife, titanium frame lock with some pretty cool carbon fiber inlays. Beautifully done, absolutely flush. You cannot feel anything, no transitions whatsoever. It has like some nice 3D milled scales. Very well contoured without internal skeletonization. The finish is very subtle, kind of like a light blasted finish. Nice chamfering going on around. Look at this contouring right over there. That's pretty cool. You get one finger groove, another larger one for a comfy handling of this little fella right over here. There's no back spacer really, or standoffs. You have these protrusions from the frame which act kind of like as an integral. So you have one screw going through the scales from the pocket clip, and that's it. Lanyard hold is gonna be right over there. You have safely recessed and centered blade right over there. That's pretty cool. Overall look, of course, is very nice. I love these lines. Very sexy, I would have to say. Would you look at that? Let's compare this fella up against this Birch 3, actually Birch 3. I got the Adzin flipper right over there, and a couple Shiro, like a neon, and a that's a quantum. Since we are in carbon fiber theme, I thought to show you these guys, and to give you an idea of the size of this fella. It's a very compact knife, a very simple construction. You got a one pivot screw and one screw going through the scales like that. Flipper tab shape is pointy, but it's nice. It works for a push button deployment, yeah, because in this case the detent is a little bit lighter, but realistically you want to do just a light switch deployment method, kind of like that. So very, very nice lines. I was saying the pivot is on this side where you access right over here. Don't touch that, don't move it, just leave it like that. You're gonna leave like that the pocket clip. It's gonna live in this position. You cannot reverse it, but it's kind of like dip carry. This much is gonna be sticking out from your pocket, so that's pretty good. You have a stainless steel lock face insert screwed in from the outside, which acts also as a over travel lock bar stabilizer for the lock bar, as well as the inlay right over here. So it's not gonna go anywhere. You have a titanium pocket clip with the satin finish, and you see a little bit of scratches, more than a regular stone wash, of course. In this case, of course, yeah, as I said, it's not reversible. You have M390 blade steel with a lot of things going on. Actually, very cool jimping with dual finish, as you can see. Very nice. It's a little bit blasting in the grooves and in the fuller. Right over here, drop point, nice wedge, reaching the tip, 30%, kinda belly and straight up to the sharpening choil. Not really a finger choil, but it's nice. It has, you can see the belt grind lines in this flat grind. Very nice plunge, and you see the flats, they extend over the fuller with the window, which actually is chamfered, but there's not enough room for like a reverse kind, unless you just jam it like that. No, it's not gonna work. Anyways, you have this kind of blade, which is pretty cool, and let's see. It's like 3.4 millimeters thick with like wow, it's thin, maybe too much. Let's go back a little bit. Yeah, 0.35 millimeters behind the edge, so it's very nice and slicey. It's pretty cool because it's sterile looking. There's no billboarding except for the Brian Nadeau logo right over there. And my favorite blade shape, I have to say that. The sound is dry, high-pitched, not loud. When you close it, super quiet. See? Very nice. It's kind of muffled at the end with a gentle thud. And it's very cool when opening. Yeah, I like it. It feels pretty good in the hand. Guys, there's really no hot spots whatsoever. Let me grab this fella to check the weight and see how we are doing in the pocket department. It's not going to be too bad. There's no internal skeletonization. So it's going to be 80.3 grams. You want to know in ounces? 2.83 ounces. Not too bad. Actually, it's very good. There's pretty much no hot spots in the handle. This guy is not going to be bothering you, except for the fact that it's a little bit stiff. Better than other, but still a little bit stiff. Overall, very nice balance on the knife. It's solid. There's not really much texture. It's super smooth. It's not very slippery because of this finger groove. The flipper tab is going to act as a finger guard in a way. There's no rattling. It's well done. I mean, guys, the fit and finish of Riyadh is pretty good. No blade play, there's no lock stick, of course. The clip ramp is pretty good to go. It's a little bit on the exit, it's good. It's a little bit tight on the entrance and a little bit stiff, but the action overall is good. It's running on bearings, of course, and the closing action is not guillotine, but it's like a controlled glide shot with just a little gentle nub, and you're gonna be a happy camper. It's pretty good. Also, there's a very cool thing like the detent is the detent ramp, is integrated in the detent ball, which is not a ball, but it's just like a protrusion right over there. So that's a pretty ingenious mechanism to have a detent ball ramp, so you're not getting any, you see, step right there. So pretty good. I love this design, I love this shape, I love this combo, like titanium and carbon fiber, M390. I mean, what do you want more than that? And this is not going to break the bank. So it's a very, very cool one, guys. One of my favorite EDC of 2023. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.